Hello, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about first year physics chapter wise important questions. Listen carefully. You know that what is the first chapter? First chapter is the physical world. It's very easy. 5 ESAQs are there. What is the Chandrasekhar limit? What is the Raman effect? What is physics? Don't leave single answer also from that. You should read all. You will get the 2 marks. Then our second chapter is the units and measurements. In this also 10 VSAQs are there, and this time we are expecting 3 VSAQs. I am thinking mostly third 1, 2 are coming from the 10 VSAQs only. One problem they are repeating many times, that is the suppose they are based on this volume of the sphere 4/3 pi r cube. This is the formula, and they are giving in the question error in the radius is like 2 or 3%. Suppose 1%. Find the error in volume. Find the error in volume means you can take it delta V by V is equals to, these two are the constants. This power is coming as a multiple 3 into delta R by R. 3 into 1% is how much? This is the 3%. This type of model you are having in problems. Please practice it. It is compulsory for final exams. Many times they have repeated. Like that, find the error in kinetic energy, including the 10 answers. You practice these two problems also. They are giving error in mass is 2% and error in velocity is, just I am giving numbers, is approximately that one. You should follow that problems. How to do this one I am saying 1%. You know that what is the kinetic energy formula? Ke equals to half mv square. Half is the constant. Error in kinetic energy delta Ke by Ke equals to delta m by m plus power is coming as a multiple delta V by V. Look here, they are giving error in mass is 2% plus 2 into, because power of the velocity is 2 coming as a multiple, that is the 1%. Finally your answer is how much? 2% plus 2% is the 4%. So these two problems are very important. Many times they have repeated as a very short answer questions. Then come to motion in a straight line chapter. Here Telangana state, according to new model 2021 to 2022, according to that they didn't give any VSAQs, but you should read safe side, that is your wish. But SAQs, okay, well, that SAQs, no, they are giving one SAQ and mostly they are giving the problems. SAQs also you should listen from the motion in a straight line. See, a particle moves through in a straight line with uniform acceleration. Initial velocity they have given v1, final velocity v2, time is the t, and you can find out the average velocity. That is the second SAQ from your material. That is very, very important. And second one is the bird. When the bird is dropping the fruit, with respect to bird, that is a straight line. With respect to person on the ground, that is the parabol. That is also very important. And from these two we are expecting one. And from the problems, so in that exercise problems, there are 3 problems are there. If the body covers 1/3 of the distance 10 kmph, second third of distance 20 kmph, last third of distance 60 kmph, what is the average speed? That is very, very important. Many times they have given. Along with that, 2 more are there. One is a man walks home to market 5 kmph, and market to home he is coming with some speed. Find the velocity and average speed. That is also very important. You must practice these 2 problems. Then come to motion in a plane chapter. Don't leave single answer also from the motion in a plane. So in this, parallelogram law of addition of vectors is very important. Then define unit vector, null vector, position vector is also very important. Then mod of a bar plus b bar equals to mod of a bar minus b bar. Find the angle between a and b. That is also very important. And to show path of the projectile is a parabola. Then next one is the maximum height and range. Then one problem is there, that is last one, that is your wish. So these are the very, very important question. That too in the TS model, this time we are expecting 3 SAQs from the motion in a plane. Yes, then you should read once relative velocity also. Don't leave single answer also from this chapter. Then from the laws of motion, it's very simple, because many questions they have deleted from this chapter. Simply you should read advantages, disadvantages of the friction, methods of the reducing friction, why pulling the lawn roller is preferred than pushing. Just you read these 3 answers. These 3 are very important. See, methods of reducing friction, advantages and disadvantages of the friction. Then why pulling the lawn roller is preferred than pushing. These three are very important. Mostly we can expect one SAQ from this. And model paper, no, they have given one more SAQ. What are the types of friction? See, limiting friction, dynamic friction and rolling friction. The types also you should read for safe side, because clearly they have mentioned that 2021-22 TS model paper. This is only for Telangana state because reduced syllabus is 30%. I am discussing that only. Then from system of particles, after laws of motion, work energy power is safe. There is no doubt in that, because 3 LAQs are there. This time you are expecting 2 LAQs, but the most of the people are doing mistake is you are not practicing the problems. When the combination, sometimes they are giving like discuss about freely falling body, law of conservation of energy, but the thing is, along with that, power problems they are giving. I made one video, combination problems along with the LAQ. You must follow that. You can able to give the solutions for the problems. Then work energy power, I think no doubt all 3 LAQs you should practice. This is like heart of this physics this year, and 2 LAQs we are expecting from that. Then system of particles. So this time you should give more preference to system of particles. Why? 3 SAQs are coming from the system of particles and 2 SAQs. In model paper they have given that what is that vector product and that one. The next thing is, in this chapter I am saying to you what are the important questions. First one is distinguish between center of mass and center of gravity. That is very important. From many years onwards it is repeating. And second one is define vector product and properties, and with 2 examples. That is also very important. And next one is the define angular velocity, and you show that V equals to R omega. Here 4 SAQs are very important. Don't leave single question also. Then last one important question is define angular acceleration and torque and derive the relation between them. So difference between center of mass, center of gravity. Second one is the vector product. Third one is the derive the expression for V equals to R omega. Then fourth one is the what is angular acceleration, torque, and what is the relation between them. So these 4 are very, very important from system of particles. Okay. Then come to our next chapter is mechanical properties of solids. So in this chapter mostly they are giving behavior of wire under gradually increasing load. That is very important. Single answer you should learn. That is only important from mechanical properties of solids. Then previous strain energy was there. It was deleted from the syllabus. So only one important question is there according to previous model papers and all this. That is the behavior of wire under gradually increasing load. Then mechanical properties of fluids. Only you should read VSAQs from this chapter. No need of reading short answers, because this time choice is there, and mostly we are not expecting short answers from this chapter. Then our next chapter is the gravitation. Don't leave the gravitation. From the gravitation 3 answers are very important. What is orbital velocity? Derive the expression for that. Then what is the escape velocity? Derive the expression for it. Then third one is the what is the geostationary satellite, and write the applications of that. So in these 3 we can expect 2 also this time. So don't leave these 3 short answers. From the gravitation no need of reading VSAQs. Then our next chapter oscillations. Already you know that 2 LAQs are coming from the work energy power. Only 1 LAQ is coming from the oscillations. That is your wish. But first 2 are the very important. To show path of the projection of the circular motion is the simple harmonic motion. Then second one is the derive the expression for the time period of simple pendulum. The 2 are very important. Only for long answers. Then come to our next chapter, thermal properties of matter. Thermal properties of matter weightage is VSAQ. And here anomalous behavior of the water is important, and deleted portion is there in this also. Only 2 identical rectangular strips, that question. Then pendulum clock goes fast in winter comparing with the summer. Why? And last one is the anomalous behavior of the water. In these 3 compulsory 1 is coming. Anyway, up to system of particles you are perfect. You can able to get the good marks also. And already you read these chapters, means once you revise, these 3 are the very important questions. Then thermodynamics, Cp minus Cv equals to R. Then why CP is greater than CV. Second SAQ. First one is the first law of thermodynamics. These three are the very important. Then from the kinetic theory you are expecting only VSAQs, but here one small problems are there. From the short answers also you should practice, because from the kinetic theory we are expecting 3 very short answer questions. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my channel. If you are having any doubts and derives and derivations and all this, you follow my videos. The easy method is you can go through the playlist. In that playlist you can see, if you are first year you want LAQ, just you check it, first year LAQ. If you want SAQs, you can go through the only SAQs. If you want only VSAQs, you can go through the VSAQ. Like that, second year I will make one more video. So these are the important questions chapter wise. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my channel.